Watching Selena.
Wait a minute, Abraham. Wait a minute, Abraham. Your father likes this one. Selena!
Hold on.
Look at her fucking golden outfit. Okay, this is the best part ever. Best part ever. Get this on video.
I got this. Get closer together. No, Val, you're doing good. Val, like, how could you resist that?
I'm done. Oh, what's the end?
Erin is not done. Oh, let's zoom in on her ass.
Uh-oh, take off your bustier.
No! No! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Get her.
We're watching Selena. Erin, why are we watching Selena?
Because it's her 16th anniversary of her death.
Cheers, Selena! Erin's dancing for you, so is Val. My little Mexican friends.
Hey, one out.
Wait, you guys aren't as good as her.
Well, we're trying to get.
Can you wear that bra like she does?
Hey!
Oh yeah, that was awesome. Say bye. Say bye to Selena.
Bye.
Anything for you, Selena.
Nothing for Mira, she wants love. She sees them making out. She wants love.
No, Selena.
We have Chris Perez. Who do I get? Mira, no. Susan.
Mira.
Who did Susan get? No one.
Okay, say bye to Selena.
Bye, Selena. Anything for Selena.
Erin, what's your last goodbye?
Anything for Selena.
Anything else? If you could talk to Selena right now, what would you say?
You're my hero. Okay, hold on.
Hold on, Val, you get your turn. This is Erin. You have to do it faster. This video is fucking long as shit.
I said you would have the best fashion merchandising thing ever.
That's the dumbest thing you've ever said. Can you talk to her from the heart, please? You're talking to her like a business. Talk to her from the heart.
Like a business.
Basically, all Erin wants to say is that she wants to be just like you. You're her idol.
No, like, Selena, like, who would have known what you would have been? Like, you... I love you. You forever will be in my heart, and I will forever live your songs up to... I'm watching Selena extended version right now, 10th anniversary, and because
At 3 in the morning.
3 in the morning, and I love you.
Selena!
Anything for Selena. This bumper came off the bus.
You have taco on your face. Okay, now it's about say bye.
Anything for Selena.
Selena, you're an inspiration to whatever. Look at these. Okay, yeah, go ahead. You're an inspiration to every.
I'm sorry.
Okay, guys. Okay, tell you want some. Thank you, say Selena. Alright, say bye. Goodbye. This is the video, or alright, bye.